Zombie apocalypse.
Hey guys, welcome back to Unfold Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to change the wallpaper on Chrome. So now let's just get started. So first step, we have to head to the Chrome browser. Then we have to click on the small pencil type icon at the bottom right corner. Then we can choose whichever wallpaper we want. The wallpaper gets applied after you click the done option. There's also one more hack that you can also upload it from your device. You can also upload any wallpaper from your device. There is also an option called color and theme. You can also change the color and theme of a page. Like example, I just clicked the red option and it changed the red. So now guys, okay, thank you guys for watching. So I'm signing out and bye bye.